So we're gonna fill the tree up with vagina babies.
Vagina babies. If you ever want apples, they're in there. Oh, wanna make a smoothie? It's not working.
That only works in the.
Vagina baby.
Vagina babies, oh vagina babies.
One. Oops, they're falling up my bra. There we go, it's full.
Woo!
I feel accomplished.
There we go. You can stick some in there.
You don't want to.
And that is the artwork of Sin Schellenberg.